Are you tired of your hip fat? So was I. And this is the one most simple, easy, effective exercise which actually got me magnificent results, and this is what I'm here to share with you. The most simple and easy effective exercise to finally get rid of those hip fat and those bulging hips which you finally want to get rid of and look slim and lean. I'm sure you know your target area is your hip fat and you have been seeing many videos to lose the hip fat. But this video is the ultimate one-stop guide because this video is very easy and effective, simple to follow exercise which you are going to do every single day. I know the reason why you're not able to finally lose your hip fat is because of all the tough, difficult exercise, strenuous floor exercises which you see day in and day out. They look so difficult. How are you going to perform it? You should stick to those exercises which you can actually do on a daily basis and which encourages you to exercise daily. This exercise will do exactly that, and I'm sure you're going to finally achieve a perfect butt. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin this easy exercise with the help of a chair. This one's definitely coming in handy to lose the hip fat, even though this could be one of the reasons because you're sitting all day. Let's begin this super easy and fun exercise. So for the first exercise, it's super easy. You just have to stand right at the back of the chair, and now we are going to keep our spine straight, our core tight, and now we are going to lift one leg as high as we can. Swing it all the way up, exhale, and when you come down, you inhale. Let's do it together. If you can't lift your leg all the way high up there, you can take it as high as it goes. Within a few days, you will be able to take it just as high as I am. For the next exercise, you have to take the help of a chair again. Have one arm distance between the chair and yourself. Keep your spine straight, your core tucked in tight. And now you have to do is come on your toes and bend down, but don't go too low. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your hip fat be. So all you have to do is bend as low as you can. So what you have to do is, this chair is actually my thigh height, and I'm going to bend down and bring it to my waist height. That's all you have to do. Take the help of a chair and like this. So come up on your toes again and then go down. Let's do it together. easy exercise is super effective. This one's actually very easy. All you have to do is take the help of a chair, keep your spine straight, your core tucked in tight, and bring your knee up all the way high, just like this. Bring it up to the chest level if you can, but with the help of a chair it becomes so much easier. In case you don't have a chair, you can even use the support of a wall. This is how you have to do it. Let's do it together. The burn in your hip and butt area. Now that's the motive, and that's super good news because I am too. In fact, I am a little sweaty already. Now for the most easy, effective fourth exercise in this series, I'm going to show you how to move sideways and squat. It's so easy and super effective. Let's do it together. So don't forget to pair these exercises with clean eating habits. That's exactly what I prophesize and advertise in my weight loss programs. If you want to join my paid customized diet plans, then you can surely do with the link given in the description below. Just come and say hi. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care. But don't forget to hit the like button, subscription button, because we are going to become a 1 million strong family soon.